Hello everyone, today I am going to make a special baked pasta recipe. So let's see how to make this recipe. First, let's take 2 cups of pasta and let's boil them. In the boiled water, I am going to add some salt. When the salt is melted, let's add some sunflower oil and then let's add the pasta. Now the pasta is ready. Let's take it out of the pan and strain it into a bowl. Then let's add some cold water on top of it. Now that the pasta is done, let's make the chicken. For that, let's take a pan and add 2 tablespoons oil and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Let's stir that until the cumin becomes a bit more brown. At this stage, let's add the chicken. When the chicken becomes a little bit more white, let's add the masalas. Now that the chicken is turning white, let's add the masala. First, let's add 1 tablespoon Arabic masala. Then let's add 1 teaspoon garlic powder. After that, let's add 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Then let's add some salt. Now that we have mixed it, let's add some capsicums. Let's cut the capsicums into small cubes and let's add it into the chicken. Now the chicken is done. Now let's make the white sauce. For that, first let's take 1.5 cups of milk. Then let's add 2.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now let's mix it on the stove. We have to continuously mix so that no lumps are formed. Now let's add some salt. When it starts to thicken, let's add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. After that, let's add 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and half cup of mozzarella cheese. When the cheese is completely melted, let's take it off the pan and let's assemble the pasta. For the assembly, first let's add the white sauce. Then let's add some tomato ketchup and sriracha. After that, let's add some mozzarella cheese. On the cheese, let's add the pasta and chicken. Then let's repeat this process one more time. After repeating, let's add some white sauce. On that, let's add some mozzarella cheese and parmesan cheese. On that, let's add some sauce and capsicum. Now the assembly is done. Let's place it in the oven. I cooked the pasta for 10 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius top and bottom heat on bake mode. With that, the pasta is ready. It was so yummy and delicious. You should all try this recipe. Thanks for watching.